I'm thrilled to announce the new Forrester Total Economic Impact report for Deel Global Payroll. The study found that customers using our managed payroll solution experience impressive benefits and cost savings. Let's take a look at a few of them. First of all, an almost 70% return on investment, and then more than $900K in net present value savings. Prior to using Deel's managed payroll solution, businesses would need around 7 full-time employees to complete payroll. After using Deel, businesses can do it in many cases with 3 or less. It's amazing to see the financial impact of Deel Global Payroll for our clients. Most businesses interviewed for this study worked with in-country payroll partners before switching to Deel. With partners, they often dealt with inaccurate payroll, slow response times to support issues, and often a lack of country-specific knowledge. After moving to Deel, these companies experienced significantly better payroll processing, high levels of compliance, and accurate reporting. Deel only uses local in-house payroll experts in the 130 markets where we operate to deliver the best global payroll experience possible. It's an all-in-one platform for global payroll, helping you grow faster wherever you have employees.